kids! Welcome back to ABC for Kids 123 TV. Today, Momo and Ziggy are going to show you how to make an amazing baking soda volcano. Ready? Let's go! Let's go! First, let's meet our mission. We're going to build a volcano, then make it erupt using a super cool science reaction. All we need are a few simple things from home. Here's what we need: baking soda, vinegar, a squirt of dish soap, a little red food coloring, and our clay volcano. Grown-ups, this part is easy and safe. Let's gather everything together. Now we shape our clay around the bottle to make our volcano mountain. Smooth it nice and round, just like a real mountain. Next, we add a few spoonfuls of baking soda right into the top. This is the secret ingredient that's about to make some magic happen. Now for the fun part. We pour in vinegar mixed with red food coloring and a little dish soap. Watch closely. Something's about to happen.
Whoa, look at that! Our volcano is erupting! Bubbly red foam everywhere! That is so cool!
Here's why it happens. Baking soda and vinegar mix together and make a gas called carbon dioxide. That's the bubbles you see. And remember, always ask a grown-up helper before doing science experiments. Let's remember the steps. 1. Build your volcano. 2. Add baking soda. 3. Pour in the vinegar mix. 4. Eruption! You did it! Great job, scientists! Don't forget to subscribe to ABC for Kids 123 TV for more fun experiments and adventures. See you next time!